Do you feel like your salary is never enough? That the bills keep piling up and living in the red has become your new normal? If you're a working adult, a parent, or self-employed, and you feel like you've lost control of your finances, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to get out of debt in just 90 days using practical, direct, and applicable strategies, even if your bank account is empty and loaded with debt right now. There's no magic promise here, just a real plan based on organization, discipline, and small daily actions that add up to big results. If you're tired of watching your money disappear before the month ends and want to finally breathe financially, stick around until the end. The solutions you need are here, and they work. Does it feel like every month tells the same story? Your salary comes in, but within days it's gone, and all that's left are stacked up bills, constant collection calls, and that suffocating feeling of always owing something? If that sounds familiar, stay with me. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a clear, technical, and practical plan to get out of debt in just 90 days. That's right. With simple, consistent actions applied daily, it is possible to take back full control of your finances, even if everything seems to be collapsing right now. And no, you won't need miracles or a high-paying job, just discipline, focus, and a well-executed plan. So if you're tired of living on the edge, tired of the financial stress, and you want real change, stay with me. I'll guide you step by step through a process that can transform how you deal with money and bring back your peace of mind. Financial chaos is more common than you think. Over 70% of Brazilian families are in debt, and most live on the edge, because they don't really know how much they earn, how much they spend, or how much of their income is already committed. It's not about being irresponsible. Often, it's the chaos of everyday life, external pressures, unexpected expenses, and a complete lack of financial education that push people into a cycle of debt. Loans that once seemed like a way out turn into new headaches, the credit card becomes an income extension, and slowly, that feeling of being trapped takes over. But here's the good news: you can get out of it. With clarity and strategy, it is possible to turn things around, even if you are drowning in bills and have no savings at all. Before I walk you through the 90-day plan, you need to understand what's pulling you deeper into debt. There are 5 common mistakes that most people make when trying to manage debt, and they only make things worse. The first is paying just the minimum on your credit card. That feeds compound interest and turns a small debt into a massive problem in a few months. The second is taking out new loans to pay off old ones, which just pushes the issue forward and increases the total amount owed. The third mistake is not paying attention to interest rates. Many people have no idea how much interest they repaying on their installments. The fourth is having no control over daily spending, which allows small expenses to turn into big leaks by the end of the month. And the fifth, possibly the most dangerous, is avoiding your bank account out of fear or shame. But ignoring the problem won't make it disappear, quite the opposite. Now let's get into the plan. Over the next 3 months, you'll divide your financial recovery into 3 30-day phases. Each stage has clear goals and practical actions. We start with the first 30 days, diagnosis and cutting. Your mission here is to list everything: how much you earn, how much you owe, and how much you spend in each category. Use a simple spreadsheet or even pen and paper, but be honest and thorough. Then, cut out everything that's not essential: streaming services, unused apps, food delivery, duplicate subscriptions. Anything you can pause, reduce, or eliminate needs to go now. This initial cut is essential to free up cash flow and make space for organization. Also, start negotiating your high-interest debts now. Reach out to creditors, propose realistic agreements, and record everything. This initial clarity already puts you ahead of most people. Once those first 30 days are behind you, we enter phase 2, building a new financial routine. Here, the focus is to create a system that works in your daily life. Separate your money into categories, set weekly spending limits for food, transport, housing, and leisure. Use apps like Mobiles or Organizes, or do it all in a notebook if you prefer manual control. The key is to track every penny coming in and going out. Also, prioritize paying off your highest interest debts and set bi-weekly goals for progress. Even if there's barely any money left, set aside a symbolic amount to start building an emergency fund. This helps develop the habit and creates a sense of momentum. In this phase, consistency matters more than perfection. The goal isn't to do it all perfectly, but simply not to stop. Now we enter the final phase, days 61 to 90. This is the time to boost your progress with extra income and solidify your habits. Take inventory of everything you're not using at home: clothes, electronics, furniture, and sell them. Small sales can add up to significant amounts when combined. Also, look at how you can use your free time to earn money. Simple services, freelancing, weekend gigs, homemade goods. The goal here is to increase your payment capacity without relying only on your main salary. Every extra cent you earn should go directly to pay off your most aggressive debts or strengthen your emergency savings. Review your plan weekly, make necessary adjustments, and stay disciplined. By the end of these 90 days, not only will you have significantly reduced your debt, but you'll also have built new habits that prevent you from falling back into chaos. To make this journey easier, there are tools that can help a lot. Start with finance tracking apps. They help you clearly see where your money is going and where you can cut. If you prefer physical methods, try the envelope system. Divide your cash into envelopes for specific categories. And once an envelope is empty, that category's spending is done. Also, immerse yourself in content that reinforces your new lifestyle. Videos like this, short books like Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, and practical finance podcasts will keep you motivated. The key is to build a learning environment around you. Staying informed and engaged is what will stop you from returning to the patterns that got you into debt in the first place. But getting out of debt isn't just about cutting expenses and paying off bills. It's also about changing the way you think about money. It is letting go of the idea that money is for spending and beginning to see it as a tool for freedom, safety, and future security. That means saying no to impulses, avoiding emotional decisions, and making choices based on reality and long-term goals. Set clear financial targets, like fully paying off your credit card, building a 3-month emergency fund, or planning a specific purchase, and give meaning to your efforts. This mindset is what will ensure you not only escape debt but remain financially stable in the years ahead, even when faced with unexpected challenges. If you've made it this far, congratulations. That alone shows you're committed to your financial transformation. Now it's up to you. Take this plan, adapt it to your reality, and start today. Change doesn't happen all at once, but it does start with a single step. With discipline, clarity, and daily action, it is absolutely possible to get out of debt in 90 days and begin a lighter, safer, and more stable financial life. If this content made sense to you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Starting today. That small action will help you solidify your commitment and maybe even inspire someone else to start their journey too. In the next videos, I'll show you how to build an emergency fund even with very little money. Until then, remember, taking control of your financial life starts with you.